This is a day in the life of Cotton Candy Cunt. And this is Christmas today, so Merry Christmas to everyone. Like always, I have a fucked up shitty one. But let's see what's going on in my fucking shitty world today. Somebody's crying. Brittany!
Need to get out of there. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Why are you crying?
I fucking dropped my laptop on my foot. Who took my cigarette? Brandon.
I smoked some.
Where's the rest of them?
I smoked them.
Fucking little bastard.
Merry Christmas to you too.
What the fuck do you smoke my cigarettes for? Give me them.
How can I give them to you if they're in my lungs?
You're a fucking little asshole.
You're complaining about having lung cancer?
I don't care. Get out. I have to go to the bathroom. Get her out of there. I have to go. Open the fucking door.
Where's her laptop?
She just dropped it on your foot in the bathroom.
Open the fucking door.
Let me see your laptop.
No, it's fucking smashed.
Let me see it.
No, Brandon.
Let me see it.
The whole screen is fucking smashed. I have to take a shit. She needs to get the fuck out of there now.
Move away from the door now before I kick it in.
Hold on, I'm gonna wait if you don't mind. Oh, I sure pays to drink, don't I, Britt?
Wow, I have a lovely family. Okay, quit crying and fucking open the door so I can see it.
I paid $700.
Let me see it.
It's broken.
Yeah,
Get the fuck out of there so I can go to the bathroom. It's fucking broken.
Let me see, honey.
It's fucking
It is. For only.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
What did she do?
She dropped it on her foot. Why did she bring it not in there with her?
Brandon, I got it.
I heard you. Shut up.
Then let me in there.
Like I'm in there.
Tell her to get out so I can go to the bathroom.
She's fucking having a panic attack freak out on the fucking toilet. She just cracked her fucking $800 laptop.
I know, but I have to take a shit. Don't you get it?
Why did you take your laptop in the bathroom?
Then shut up. Leave me alone. Don't even say.
Brittany.
Don't even say a word to me.
Brittany. It can be fixed. All they have to do is take off the glass screen.
Just don't even talk to me.
Will you listen?
No. Don't even touch me.
Why did you touch him?
All she has to do is get the LSD screen changed.
You're free.
And then it'll be fine.
The guy said all she called and all she had to do is call this girl and
I can't breathe.
if they can do that. Why do you take your laptop in the bathroom anyways?
Trey, you're the fucking dumb motherfucker that punched in the first place.
Oh. And now you blew.
You're the one that punched my fucking computer, you dumb fuck.
I punched your computer, Renee.
You punched my computer, you stupid fuck.
Merry Christmas.